Welcome to 4 Drive Time. The Suzuki Fronx has received a 1-star ANCAP safety rating, placing it among the lowest-rated new SUVs tested under the 2023 to 2025 criteria. This rating is based on official crash tests evaluating adult occupants, child safety, vulnerable road users, and active safety systems. Starting with adult occupant protection, the Suzuki Fronx scored 48%, or 19.3 out of 40 points. While the passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test, protection for the driver's chest was rated weak, and excessive pedal movement increased the risk of lower leg injuries. The most serious issue occurred during the full-width frontal test. In this test, the rear passenger seatbelt retractor failed, allowing uncontrolled forward movement of the rear dummy. As a result, rear passenger chest and head protection were rated poor, and the test score was capped at 0 points, significantly reducing the overall rating. In child occupant protection, the Fronx scored 40%, or 20.06 out of 49 points. The absence of rear seatbelt pretensioners led to poor restraint of both 6- and 10-year-old dummies, with poor head and neck protection recorded in frontal impact tests. For vulnerable road user protection, the Fronx achieved 65%, or 41.39 out of 63 points. Pedestrian head protection was mostly rated good, and the autonomous emergency braking system performed well in pedestrian and cyclist detection, although pelvis and femur protection remained limited. Finally, safety assist system scored 55%, or 10.03 out of 18 points. While features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring are standard, the absence of head-on AEB and a center airbag limited the final score. In summary, the Suzuki Fronx's 1-star ANCAP rating is primarily due to rear seat restraint failure and weak occupant protection, despite having modern driver assistance features. For clear and objective safety analysis, this is 4 Drive Time. Drive informed. Drive safe.